Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower. Check it out. Bad Boy by Maverick, 60-inch professional grade, zero turn here. Bad Boy mowers. I'm not familiar with the brand, but they look like they know what they're doing. That's pretty severe. It's a serious piece of equipment. Obviously a welded deck. Nice big, what size are those? I don't know, 23s probably. 23s or 26s. Certainly heavy duty. And it's got a Kohler Confident engine. Not familiar with that one either. That might be a new line from them. Looks like a V-twin. Overhead valve. Got a big old exhaust. You can see it down in there. Nice. Of course, it does have ropes, which is very helpful in the mountains, as long as you use it. I do like this. Got a gas gauge built in there, and controls on this side. Pretty significant stuff there. Deck height controls, PTO on and off, key on and off, throttle up and down, and an hour meter, which is cool. Very comfortable looking seat, I might add. Nice. Yeah, the Maverick. This is their top of the line. Pretty cool. Till next time, my friends, take care.